Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. In this tutorial, you will learn how to remove the background color or to eliminate any color in a picture or in an object that I want to remove the background or you want to erase a particular color. That is keyframe. So let's import the image or the object. Let's say it is this. So you want to remove the background of this image using PixelLab. Just head over to the third icon here, this one. That's a tool icon, exactly, which is the tool. Now you scroll down to erase color. You can see it, this one, erase color. Can you see it? Yes, that's this one, erase color. When you tap on this, you enable it. Once you enable it, you see there's a number showing here. That is the first color you want to remove. So tap on this icon. You are seeing this ink icon. You tap on it, then you use this to select the color you want to remove. Exactly. Any color you want to remove, you take this to that color. Now it is highlighting green, so you OK it. Now green color is gone. Can you see that? Green color is gone. Now let's add more. Let's add more. The second color now. You now tap on this icon again. Exactly. Then let's remove this red color. Exactly. So OK it. Red is gone. Can you see it now? The red color is gone. So what you are left with is white and this sky blue all together. Let's remove this white color now. Number 3 now. White color is gone. Can you see it? White is gone. Then number 4 now. Let's erase this. Take this, tap on this. OK, it's gone. This is what you are left with. Now let's stroke it so that you observe what is happening. So this is what you are left with. Can you see? Can you see? So this is how you can remove the color background of any image. Probably you are trying to design a birthday card or whatever. This is how you can remove the background color. But please note that you can easily remove or erase the background color if the color is the same, unique, as in the color is by default the same, not mixtures of color. I hope you are getting this. When you have mixtures of color, you can perfectly erase a particular color. So you don't have a perfect object like this one. You are having this because the colors I erased were specific, definitive colors. I hope you are getting this part. Then, if you want to remove the background color or even the background of any object or image that has mixtures of other colors perfectly, then you need to use another tool, not PixelLab. I'm going to do tutorials on PixArt. That's the tool you're going to use. That one has an AI features. It can help you to remove the background color of whatever you want to eliminate. Thank you for joining us.